Hello and welcome you all to the Trinity Technology and Software Solutions Private Limited introduction video. In this video, I'll introduce you to our company and the various areas in which it has its expertise. To begin with, we are an information technology organization who deal in software solutions as well as security solutions. Our company was initiated with the whole purpose of serving a customer with the latest and cutting edge applications to meet their requirement. We see technology as an enabler and as a generator of new opportunities. Now I'll show you an overview of the part taken by Trinity. Trinity was established in the year 2002. In these 13 years, Trinity grew in two major cities in India and two continents, USA and Africa. Having seen a tremendous growth since its inception, Trinity's management system processes and procedures are 9001-2008 certified under the international recognized ISO quality management systems standard. Trinity has a huge base of domestic and international clients, having a rate over 70% in client retention. Combining process and knowledge along with technology expertise, we were the first in India to introduce web-based concept for online bus ticketing system. Trinity was initiated with the sole purpose of serving our customers with multiple business model options. We at Trinity thrive for 100% customer satisfaction with a quick turnaround time and cost-effective solutions. In order to really deliver as the client expectation, we have aligned with partners like Intel, Microsoft, Vigentech, Aditya Infotech and Parma High-Tech Vision. Let's begin with the value proposition. Trinity offers a dynamic range of softwares like mobile application development, web design and development, embedded application, security, and digital marketing with advanced SEO and Facebook services. HRMS. In HRMS, we provide HR solutions, payroll, recruitment, time and attendance. CRM, marketing software, sales, support, inventory and reports. GPS solutions, fleet tracking and fleet management. ERP, manufacturing, parts and inventory management, vehicle maintenance system. Auto DMS, dealership management system, sales, purchases, service, HR payroll, accounts. E-commerce, it's B2B, business to customer, C2C, online ticket booking, shopping cart and as well as digital marketing. Desktop solutions, document management system and accounting systems. As well, mobile application, it's iPhone, iOS, Android, iPad, mobile tab and BlackBerry. We work hand in hand with our clients to make the business run better in online ticket booking, e-commerce solutions, web-based designing and hosting, billing solutions, ERP solutions, material management, that's also called as inventory solutions, administrative system solutions, HR and payroll, customer relationship management, mobile development, vehicle maintenance system, GPS technology, dealer management system, document management system, hospital maintenance, POS solutions, telecom applications, CCTV and security solutions, and digital marketing. Let's begin with the technologies used in Trinity. Microsoft technologies like programming language, C, C hash, Visual Basics, ASP, open software like Java, J2EE, Linux, Apache SQL PHP, Product development. Product lifecycle management is the process of managing product related design, production, and maintenance information. PLM also serves as a central repository for secondary information acquired over the product's life. Our product lifecycle management process involves a range of different marketing and production strategies, all geared towards making sure the product lifecycle curve is as long as profitable. Our aligned partners are Microsoft, Intel, Vigentech, ever since we were established in 2002, we continue to set new business milestones. Our business is expanding and the spectrum of technology in which we provide solutions is broadening. Also, we are committed to provide our clients with unsurpassed levels of quality and services. We have already accomplished this goal for multiple clients. We have been associated with many number of companies from India and overseas. Here, you could see a few of them listed. Our best works like online ticket booking solutions, dynamic websites, e-commerce solutions, healthcare static websites, fleet tracking application, e-channel application for state traffic police, mobile application development,